Welcome back, World Auto. The 2026 Toyota Corolla continues to stand out as one of the most reliable compact cars available today. Renowned for its long-term dependability, comfortable ride, and excellent fuel economy, the Corolla remains a top pick for everyday driving. Whether you choose the sedan or the hatchback, both variants offer smooth performance, easy drivability, and a reputation for minimal maintenance and lasting value. New for 2026 is the introduction of the FX Edition, a limited edition hatchback that adds a sporty twist to the Corolla's classic design. This exclusive version includes a prominent rear spoiler, crisp 18-inch white wheels, and eye-catching color options such as Ice Cap, Inferno, and Blue Crush Metallic. Inside, the FX Edition is equipped with sporty suede-trimmed seats and bold orange stitching on the upholstery and door panels. With only 1,600 units being produced, this model brings added personality and rarity to the Corolla lineup. Pricing for the 2026 Corolla is expected to start at around $24,000, with the most well-equipped trims reaching close to $30,000. For those who prefer a livelier driving feel, the SE sedan is worth a look. It features a sport-tuned suspension system, sharp-looking LED headlights, 18-inch wheels, a leather-trimmed steering wheel, and an 8-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Beneath the surface, the Corolla uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower, paired with a CVT continuously variable transmission that drives the front wheels. While it's not built for speed, the Corolla delivers a comfortable and steady ride. For greater efficiency, the sedan is also available as a hybrid, which prioritizes fuel savings over sporty performance. Trim levels like the SE and XSE come with a firmer suspension for enhanced handling and more responsive steering. Performance-wise, the AWD hybrid version reaches 60 miles per hour in about 9 seconds, while the hatchback shaves that time to around 8.3 seconds. Top speed figures are modest, with the hybrid topping out at 107 miles per hour and the hatchback peaking at 111 miles per hour. Although official MPG estimates for the 2026 model haven't been released, they are expected to match last year's numbers. The 2025 Corolla achieved up to 32 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway with the gas engine. The hybrid version was even more efficient, returning up to 50 miles per gallon city and 43 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the Corolla offers a refined and modern interior with high-quality materials and thoughtful design. Higher trims add features like keyless start, ambient interior lighting, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. The sedan offers more rear seat legroom, ideal for families, while the hatchback boasts better storage capacity. With the enhanced cargo space option, the hatch can hold up to 23 cubic feet of gear, making it a great companion for shopping, travel, or daily use. Thanks for watching.